continuation. So now he's making a left. So he went down, made a left, and now he's making another left and slightly ascending. Now he's coming back. He'll cross over DeSeo right out there, just beyond the DeSeo Falda intersection, closer to Alicia. So now I saw him just come through this crack right here behind the tree. That's the two-story house, and he was on a left swoop coming out this way. So they're making up some kind of excuse for yesterday, but they had the Cessna follow and do the same exact motions. So he just cleared the tree right there on a left curve. Now he's tail waving, and so I see the front left and the left. So he's coming right to left in the helicopter pocket now, waving his tail. Now he's slightly ascending. I mean, very slightly. Now he's doing pulses as he slightly ascends. Now he's slightly descending. Now he's slightly ascending, descending, ascending. Now on a left tilt. Now leveled out. Now pulse. Tail wave, left, right. Now a little left lean. Now he's going behind the tree just for a second. He's on a left tilt. Now he's leveled out. Now he's doing a little tail wave, a small one. Now another tail wave and like a left tail whip, like a press. 2 presses, 3 presses, 4 presses, 5 presses, 6 presses. Slight 7th. And a little, tiny little pulse, and he's on a right curve right now. Now pulse, 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 pulse. Now he's speeding up gradually overall. Now he's headed out towards just beyond Geronimo Montilla intersection, which was never any kind of regularity. That happened because we got into a standoff and he would try to race me back around to 24092, so he started doing power circles out there. Now he's on a right tilt and descending on a count. Descend, count, descend, 2, descend, 1, 2, 3. So as I started counting, it's not in time now. Descend on a slight right. Descend on a slight right. The thing is though, it's not a constant descension. You wouldn't like pump down 5 feet and then fly another 30 feet and then pump down 5 feet. And they had the UN cover-up copter do it yesterday, which is supposedly a civilian, and they had a Cessna do the descensions today in time. So it's still ludicrous.